Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Maligayang pagdating sa aking channel. Today we're going to install this speed control to this exhaust motor, and the question is it possible? Okay, let's unplug that one guys, and we're going to install that one. Supposed to be, this is our AC plug, and this live wire here is for the switch. Dapat guys itong brown na to is para sa switch, ngunit i-install natin itong orbit fan control dito. Ang purpose is para patayin natin. Yun ba ang purpose niya? O kukontrol natin yung speed ng ating fan motor? Let's gonna find out that one. What could be the possible reasons behind it? Am I going to control the speed of this fan motor, or I'm going to decrease its power? Ito guys, galing to sa orbit fan motor. Control ang orbit fan motor. I-install natin dito. Yan. Ang normal, switch dapat ang nakalagay dito. Experimental ito. Tignan natin kung kaya ng ating exhaust motor ang speed galing sa orbit fan motor. Kick! The connection of this one guys is very easy. This live wire here is we're going to install to this terminal and this terminal. Here, the number one is here, and it's a color black, and it says the black value is 3.4, and the red value is 0.8 UF. Okay guys, let's test it, and let's measure the amperage coming from our motor as we use this speed control here. And take a look. I'm going to set that to number 1. Guys, testing natin siya. Number 1 speed 0.24 ampere. Number 2 speed 0.36 ampere, and number 3 speed 0.57 ampere. Kick off. So that's it guys. Yan na guys ang nakuha natin. Okay guys, direct connection, and let's see what is the amp reading for the direct connection. Okay, we got only 0.16 for the direct. Kick. 0.11. Kick. Therefore guys, if you're going to use the speed control, the fan motor obliged to step up its power rating due to this dual capacitor, and the dual capacitor rated is 0.8 and the other one is 3.4 UF, and it's not applicable for the motor. Gamit ang ohms law guys, kukumputin natin ang kanyang wattage. P is equal to volts times ampere. Ang volts natin is 220 times 0.24 para sa 1 speed is 52 watts. What we got for 1 speed is 52 watts guys, using Ohm's law. That is power is equal to volts times ampere. And for the number 2 speed, we got 36 ampere, and we got times that one, we got 72 watts, and that's not applicable or overrating for our fan motor, which is the original is 22 ampere. And let's proceed guys to number 3 speed, using power 22 times 0.57 ampere is equal to 125 watts. It's over again. Sobra po ito guys para sa rating ng ating exhaust motor, dahil ang rating natin exhaust motor is 32 watts lamang siya. Using Ohm's law guys, here is the original and the wattage is 32, therefore the original age is 32. Using the Ohm's law guys, the amperage rating should be between 0.11 to 0.16. Therefore installing speed control is not recommended.